नई नई वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाएं।
Hey, what do you want to da da da? I don't know. What do y'all think we should da da da? Well, what did we da yesterday? Yesterday. All the dolls feel like the same doll these days. I know. Like, is today Monday or Tuesday? Today is Thursday. Oh no, I forgot to call my mom on her birthday. Oh no! No!
These days, nothing is normal and everything is weird. But you could still save big when you switch to Progressive. That won't change. Not today or any day.
Quote today at Progressive.com.
Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates.
HD Smartcast.
You're listening to a Hindustan Times production brought to you by HD Smartcast.
और बताओ।
बस सब ठीक। घर पे मम्मी डैडी अंकल आंटी, आपके घर पे सब कैसे चल रहा है?
अभी हमने सिर्फ ट्रेलर देख सकती हूँ।
क्या दिखाया? फ्री में इतना ही मिलेगा।
नहीं, we are waiting for the film।
और बताओ। Everybody should have a naughty in their life.
क्या चेंज आया है?
Only change that has happened is now he is married. He has 2 kids.
She is still unmarried. She still has no kids.
और बताओ।
और बताओ। ऐसा क्या है तुझ में जो मुझ में नहीं है?
Set to brighten up the theatres near you is a film called Batti Gul Meter Chalu. So I have Shahid Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor here. और बताओ।
बस सब ठीक। घर पे मम्मी डैडी अंकल आंटी, आपके घर पे सब कैसे चल रहा है?
आप बताइए ना।
बताने वाली सारी खबरें आपके पास है।
बताने वाली कौन सी खबर है हमारे?
भैया, बत्ती गुल मीटर चालू। There's a new accent, there is a new जोश, there's a new look.
It's called कुमाऊनी accent वाली।
अभी हमने सिर्फ ट्रेलर देखा, वहाँ से जो मैं अंदाजा लगा सकती हूँ।
क्या दिखाया? फ्री में इतना ही मिलेगा।
नहीं, we are waiting for the film. फिल्म में क्या हो रहा है?
I am playing very cupty lawyer and she is playing naughty.
हाँ.
Naughty. We also have one more Lata friend. His name is Tripathi. He is very nice guy. That's why nothing will happen of his in the film. I am very smart, over smart.
Okay.
So I will do everything.
Lovely. Naughty तो बिल्कुल नहीं लगते हो आप।
Shraddha, you don't look naughty. Of course she looks naughty.
Do you think I?
No, she's such a nice बच्चा है. Sometimes wonder कि मतलब do you fight? Do you ever give a piece of your mind to someone?
I do. But Naughty does it 100 times more than me. I think she's a very fun person. I think everybody should have a Naughty in their lives. Yeah.
Everybody should have a naughty in their life.
हैदर में लास्ट काम किया, क्या चेंज आया है इन जनाब के जो आपके साथ बैठे हैं?
Only change that has happened is now he is married. He has 2 kids.
She is still unmarried. She still has no kids. Nothing has changed about Shraddha. You need to grow up better.
इन्होंने तो बहुत प्यार से explain कर दिया. He wasn't married. He didn't have kids. Now everything's changed. Congratulations on the new member in the family. You've changed as a family man. कुछ हुआ maturity
पहले तो
आ
मैं,
गई, responsible.
family man था ही नहीं. अब मैं
You
family
know
man हो
what
गया.
I mean.
और बताओ. आप बताओ. घर पे सब कैसे हैं? आज क्या बनाया खाने में क्या बनाया आंटी?
खाना खा के जाना.
आप खिला के जाना.
Oh God. So never have I ever pretended to have seen a film or a book just to maintain my reputation.
Meaning like seen something.
Like just to show people कि see I'm so serious and intense.
कि ये फिल्म हाँ मैं देखी जबकि actually you haven't.
If I've not seen a film.
Not seen it.
Yeah, I say I've not seen
पूछ
it.
लेगा तो पकड़ी जाएगी.
Never have I ever checked the phone of my wife or boyfriend.
Never have I ever checked the phone. Of course I have.
Yeah.
But not like behind her back. Like,
Yeah.
she's
अच्छा
totally
बिठा
cool.
के कि दिखाओ जरा.
Yeah, she keeps like chilling on each other's phone is
Okay.
something that happens sometimes. Like I go on her Instagram to see what she has and she'll go somewhere. It's totally normal.
Yeah.
Never have I ever been jealous of a fellow actor's work.
Can it be healthy jealousy?
Yeah, I have never been jealous. I have been inspired.
Never have I ever been dumped by anyone.
It's true.
Never.
You've never been dumped.
Are you jealous now?
No, I
happy for
honestly
her.
also no. But can I please say honestly, I don't know if that's a good thing, you know.
It's not. That means you've always dumped everyone.
And I don't, and that means also that I don't know what it feels like.
Never, huh?
See, she's tweaked it. Okay.
ऐसा क्या है तुझ में जो मुझ में नहीं है?
Okay, never have I ever sent a wrong text to someone. I have
Very often.
some very embarrassing results.
So
of
often.
that action.
Oh yes.
Never have I ever been attracted to someone while being in a committed relationship.
Yeah, of course.
Can I do this?
What is this?
What the hell? That's not fair.
Like,
That means
I
you
want
have.
to do
Maybe
this.
the fact
I
that you're
want to-
doing this, it means
I'll
you
tell
have.
you, I want to do
You're
this
just not,
because
you're not like, it's your arms. So you're like,
Hands
no,
down.
no, मैंने हुई.
I think I want to do this because I'm not sure if I even
But
understand
you know,
it.
honestly, I feel you can be attracted to people for various reasons at different times in
And
life.
I
Doesn't
think-
matter whether you're in a relationship or not. And you should be honest about it. And I don't think you'll ever
Yeah.
go through a time in your life when you'll never ever, for the rest of your life, ever find anybody attractive.
Absolutely.
You have to understand how to deal with it.
So one final question. Never have I ever been in a relationship and lied to the press?
And lie to the press. I've never lied to the press.
How cool. Actually, you have.
Yeah, obviously.
I'm supposed to take everything you said with a pinch of salt. Coming back to this film. Tell us what is your character all about? कुमाऊनी में आपने काफी कुछ बोला, फिर तो आप कोर्ट में भी पहुंच गए.
He's the wrong guy for the job. He is not much of a lawyer in terms of the fact that he's not very qualified. Neither is he very interested. He's oversmart and he is a little full of himself. So I guess the choice of lawyer is correct for him. Correct है उसके लिए because he's smart. He gets things done and he feels he can pull anything off. You know, he's a jugadu. But the issue that happens to become something that he starts fighting for is much larger than this regular kapti kamina, lawyer. But it's for an emotional reason. And because he is who he is, that's where all the humor comes from. Because he's that guy, right? He's not going to do anything straight. He doesn't know how to do it straight. He's not qualified to be in that courtroom. But now that he's there, he needs to make it work. And so, he's quite a grey character, very rough around the edges. I've never played a guy like this. I mean,
And especially after Padmavat, जब एकदम
I think that's why I did this.
Royal.
I just wanted to let go of all that was holding.
Yeah.
I was holding inside. It was really a lot to deal with.
श्रद्धा, आपने अब second time आप काम कर रहे हो. He's spoken about how fun the dialect was and how he wanted to let go of all the pent up royalty he had in Padmavat. पर आपका role आपका film में.
So I play the character of Lalita Nautiyal, who's प्यार से उसके फ्रेंड्स फैमिली उसे नॉटी बुलाते हैं. तो शी इज़ दिस शी इज़ very outspoken, very in your face girl who thinks कि वो सबसे बेस्ट डिज़ाइनर है उत्तराखंड की टीवी की, मतलब दुनिया की. एक्चुअली उसको लगता है कि वो मनीष मल्होत्रा एंड रोहित बाल को कंपटीशन देने वाली है. और एक दूसरा साइड भी है उसके पर्सनालिटी में, जो ये है कि जो सही गलत है उसको उसकी पहचान है. इवन दो SK's कैरेक्टर, शाहिद कैरेक्टर SK इज़ हर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, वो कभी उसे सपोर्ट नहीं करती अगर कोई गलत चीज़ कर रहा हो तो शी स्टैंड्स अप फॉर व्हाट इज़ राइट. एंड जब व्हेन दिवेंदु's कैरेक्टर त्रिपाठी, व्हेन ही हैज़ टू फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एन इनकरेक्ट बिल, बिजली का गलत बिल जो उसे मिलता है, तो हाउ दे बोथ स्टैंड अप फॉर हिम.
बत्ती गुल मीटर चालू बहुत जनहित में जारी फिल्म है. इट्स अ टॉपिक दैट अफेक्ट्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड ऑफ कोर्स स्पेशली नॉन मेट्रोज में जब और ज़्यादा बत्ती जाती है. दिल्ली में तो बहुत जाने लगी है. Was this a very conscious move?
When you said that people in big cities might not be facing this issue as much as small cities, which is true. But when I heard the script, there is a 3.5-4 page monologue which SK says at the end of the film. And I remember by the time I got done with that, I was crying.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. It was a great pleasure.
Thank you.
And I've seen all your goofy faces, so that's something we now know about.
Thank you.
This was a Hindustan Times production brought to you by HT Smartcast.
HT Smartcast.
The thing about comparing rates at Progressive.com is that by now you've heard a lot of ads about comparing rates at Progressive.com. We probably don't even need the words comparing rates anymore to remind you that seasoning steaks at Progressive.com is an easy way to save on car insurance, or that swimming in trousers helps you find the lowest rate. And that's the thing about foraging for truffles. You've heard a lot of ads about standing tiptoe on a cinder block. Compare rates and sing softly to a wounded field mouse and save at Progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Comparison rates not available in all states or situations.